Hi, everybody. Welcome to Unwrapped. I'm Marc Summers, and today we are hitting the candy store to explore the sourest of sweets and treats. In fact, can I buy some of these?
Yeah, no problem.
All right. Now, we've discovered there is something strange going on in Roswell, New Mexico. Thank you.
You're welcome.
And we're not talking UFOs, we're talking explosions of nuclear proportions in your mouth, that is. So let's leave it to a little piece of sour candy called a Warhead to pack an amazing wallop. Watch.
Ask anyone, what's the sourest hard candy you can get? They'll most likely say,
Warheads!
Warheads. In fact, its name comes from the notion that its taste is akin to a real warhead going off in your mouth. Even the puckered-up mascot, Wally, bears a mushroom cloud above his head.
The extreme sour hard candy, when it came on the market, was a huge success because of the dare factor. It is so sour that kids would dare each other to see how long they could keep it in their mouth.
Originally produced in Taiwan, the Warhead launching pad now sits in Roswell, New Mexico, a town that hosts an annual UFO festival. Today, candy makers and a few extraterrestrials blast out 240 million warheads a year. It all starts with 2,000-pound bags of sugar.
We take the sugar along with some water and some corn syrup, and we mix it into the tank behind me to come up with our base solution.
The solution travels through a cooker and into a surge tank reaching temperatures of 280 degrees Fahrenheit. Once the moisture is all cooked out, it sort of looks like heavy syrup. The syrup then travels down a pipe into a mixing bowl.
And in that mixing bowl, we're adding citric acid, flavor, and color.
This batch is blue raspberry. It travels down a conditioning band and around rollers that inject the center with a confectionery powder.
There's a little surprise on the inside for everybody.
As it continues along, machines form it into a longer, skinnier rope. And finally, a die cutter slices it into tiny warheads and fires them into a cooler. There's just one thing left to do.
This is where we add the pucker power.
Yep, all its sour power comes from a secret powder sprayed inside a huge coating drum.
There are some people that think that the coating that we use might not be from this world, but I have no comment on that.
And at a whopping rate of 1,100 warheads a minute, these high-speed wrappers are fit for infinity and beyond. Each bag holds 5 explosive flavors.
Lemon, green apple, watermelon, black cherry, and blue raspberry.
And candy makers warn, eating too many just may knock you into another universe.
It's everything you can do to keep it in your mouth.